How to remove my number from spam list? Have you ever tried to call a client or customer only to find out that your number is labeled as spam likely on their phone? This can be really frustrating, especially if you're trying to conduct legitimate business. So how did this happen? And more importantly, how can you get your number off these spam lists? First, let's understand why this happens. Phone carriers use algorithms and user feedback to determine if a number is spam. If your call patterns or user reports suggest your number might be spam, it gets flagged. Sometimes, even legitimate businesses get caught up in this due to mistaken identity or if someone has spoofed your number to make unwanted calls. To get your number removed from these spam lists, you need to take a few steps. One of the most important things is to register your number with free caller registries. Websites like Free Caller Registry and Call Transparency allow you to submit your data to major carriers, which helps them recognize your number as legitimate. This can significantly reduce the chances of your number being flagged as spam. Next, you'll need to contact each major carrier individually. For example, if you're a Verizon customer, you'll need to fill out their specific form to request removal from their spam list. The same goes for T-Mobile, AT&T, and other carriers. Each carrier has its own process, so you'll need to visit their websites and follow the instructions provided. When filling out these forms, be sure to provide detailed information about why you believe your number should not be flagged as spam. You might need to describe the issue you're facing and confirm that you're not using your number for spam purposes. In some cases, you may even be contacted by an agent for final verification. If you find that your number is still being flagged after registering and contacting the carriers, you might want to consider reaching out to spam feedback websites. For instance, Verizon has a spam feedback website where you can report if your calls are being incorrectly blocked or labeled as spam. In extreme cases, if all else fails, getting a new phone number might be an option, although this should be a last resort. A new number might come with its own set of issues, so it's best to resolve the problem with your current number if possible. By following these steps, you can increase the chances of getting your number removed from spam lists and ensure that your calls reach your customers without being flagged as spam. It's a bit of a process, but it's worth it to keep your business communications smooth and effective.